Is this how math in all Asian countries work?
ということで、まずは、その、子息っていうなんだかわかりますか？
これ、みゆこ子息教えるねって言われたんだけど、そんなのやったことあるっけってね、ちょっと記憶が、みゆこ欠如してるところがありまして、先生みゆこね。
はいはい。
思い出せないっていうところが正直なとこなんですけど。
でもね、これ子息って実は簡単で、
はい。
足す、引く、かけ、割るの4つあるじゃん。
加減乘除。There it is.
はい。
この計算の合わせて子息って言います。
なるほど。
これ、この、
Oh, wait, bro, I bet Chat doesn't even know, bro. Bro, I bet Chat doesn't even know. Alright, so let's just take a peek right here. This is 2 out of 3, this is 1 out of 9, this is 0, and this is gonna be 1. Right, so if any one of y'all got that wrong, kindly show yourself out the door.
3つの答えの違い分かりますか？
見ててください。まずこれは3分の2。
Okay?
で、これは、引くは、0になるから。
0。
ちゃんかなって。で、これは、
What? Wait, there's a typo, right? Wait, she literally says 0. Wait, she literally says 0. Why would she write 3? Did you not write 0? Is it not 0? Oh, she has sun? Oh, it's sun. Oh. Oh, she was wondering if it was 0 or if it's sun. So we're gonna go with sun.
ちゃんかなって。
Oh, that is just.
で、これは、3分の1かけ3分の1は3分の1だ、それは。で、3分の1は3分の1は3分の1。先生、ちょっとわかんないで。先生、とんでもない顔してる、先生。先生、見たことない顔してた。
Bro, like, just by pure common sense, right? How the fuck is this gonna have the same answer as the first one? Like, it's literally times and divide. How are both of them at 1 out of 3?
小の1問、足し算は合ってます。残りは間違ってるんだな。
あれ
あれ。
引き算の場合、1-1っていくつ？
0。
0だよね。だから、1-1は0じゃん？ 3-3は？
Bro, honestly, we should do this with chat. You know what? Let's do this with chat. Let's do this with chat. Because I bet chat is low-key dented as well. So let's do this with chat right now, right? Let's do this with chat right now. Alright, 4 questions. And I will pick out a random chatter's answer and put it right up in there. Alright, so hopefully y'all know exactly how math works. And we are gonna proceed with 4 different math questions with chat right now. We'll keep the first one extremely simple. Alright. Alright. That is our first question. Second question. Alright. Third question. Okay, I use trees too much. Fourth question. I will now pick out a random chatter's answer right now. So hopefully y'all have the answers right here. I am now gonna start scrolling up and let's see. And let's see who got this answer right here. Alright, so this is, oh, in case you guys misread, this is 1/7 plus 1/4. So, okay, this is A. Alright, this is A. So submit your answers in A, B, C, D. Alright, so A equals B equals C equals D equals, right? So let's see who got themselves the right answer right here. People can type into Google, can get the answer by the way. I mean, if chat wants to cheat, that is chat's decision to cheat, right? This is an honest to God Christian stream because we never cheat right here. So with that being established, let's go ahead and take a look at my favorite chatter's answer, Genshin guy right now, right? So A is 45 out of 78. That is an exceptional answer. That is an, how the hell do I pin this here? Can I pin this here? Okay, I guess I can't pin this here, but this is 45 out of 78 from a Genshin guy. B is 34 out of 67. Alright, that is just great. And then this is, C is 45 out of 99. And D is 12 out of 13. So unfortunately, because Genshin guy is the representation of my entire chat, unfortunately, Genshin guy, you got every single one of these wrong. So the first answer, it is gonna be really simple. In order to add both the Genshin guy, let me teach you, right? Let me teach you as well as chat, because I bet even if y'all got a right answer, you probably ask AI. Right, y'all don't even know how to derive the answer by yourself. So let Professor Pokke teach you simple mathematics right here. So in order to get an addition from 1/7 plus 1/4, you need to put them. Oh, he got bent. Oh, that is a little bit unfortunate. But you basically need to take the denominator to be the same value, right? So in order to put the denominator in the same value, you crisscross these bottom buckles. So this is gonna be a 4 and this is gonna be a 7. And the common denominator for both fractions is going to be a 28. So that is how you get yourselves this particular answer, arriving at 11 out of 28. Hopefully Genshin guy can learn his lesson right here. And then for the minus, we are literally gonna do the exact same fucking thing. So this is gonna be the common denominator minus this over this, and then this is gonna be 24, and that will equal to 1 out of 24, and that it is, right? Now for C, it's actually really easy. All you have to do is to basically multiply. Yep, you literally just have to multiply top to top, bottom to bottom, which actually makes this a little bit easier. So you simply take 4 times 6, then 7 times 5, and this will give you your 24 out of 35, right? Very, very good. Now, D is a tricky part, right? Many casuals fall victim to the D. So the way that D actually works in, okay, you know how fractions work? Fraction is essentially division by itself. You are a part of something. So what a 1/5 fraction actually means is 1 divided by 5. So in order to do this division, you can eliminate what I call the swap back strategy by essentially reversing the division into a multiplication, turning this into 5 out of 3. So with that, you then do the exact same thing all over, which will then lead to your answer of 5 over 15, cross-reference divisive by 5, and that is going to be 1 out of 3, right? So with that, hope you guys enjoyed our little math lesson today. Genshin guy, where is Genshin guy? Have you learned the lesson? Oh, I see. That is just fantastic. And that is just thank you. You're absolutely fucking welcome. And I'll be seeing you guys on the Clips channel if you enjoyed more educational content, because clearly chat influenced by Genshin guy is basically you know, a little bit silly because y'all play too much gacha games, right? You have cooled your last cool, my man.